I made $10,000 in just
$1,500 revenue.
A lot of people we see on YouTube claim that they have made 5K and 10K per month from e-commerce, but they don't explain how they did it. In this video, I will explain in detail how you can make 5K and more. Watch until the end of the video. Let's start by explaining what e-commerce means. E-commerce has two forms. The first form is when you buy the product from the merchant in large quantities and create your own brand on it. The second form is when you don't buy the product from the merchant, but let the merchant deliver the product directly to the customer's house. This way, you don't invest in the product, but you still make money without buying anything. The first form requires a budget and capital to be able to buy large quantities from the merchant and sell them yourself. This can be done through a website like Alibaba, or you can use Fiverr to deal with a supplier who can provide you with the desired product or store it for you in any country you want to work in. But as mentioned earlier, this requires a large capital, so if you have that capital, start without hesitation. As for the second form, it will be useful for most of you. You don't need a large capital to buy the product. You just need to upload the product on your own website and start getting customers to buy through you, and the merchant will send the product to the customer's house with your logo and brand. Now, how can we find suppliers and merchants? I will show you the most famous websites to deal with, which have a wide range of products for you to choose from and sell. CJ Dropshipping, AliExpress, Spocket, Saleahoo, Worldwide Brands, Printful. This is the best website for you to create custom clothes for your brand, and it also prints your logo or design. Additionally, it delivers your product within a week. Modalist, Printify. But wait a second, how will I know if a product is in demand so that I won't fail? Keep watching the video. There are several ways to search and see if a product will sell well for you and generate profits, such as Amazon bestsellers, Google Trends, BuzzFeed, Reddit, Trend Hunter, Product Hunt, and Wish.com. These platforms will help you know the demanded products in the market and avoid losses. Once you know the demanded product in the market, the next thing you should do is to create your own website. But hold on, I don't understand programming. Don't worry, I am here to help you and make you earn money online. I will give you the best websites where you can create your website without any problem. And it's very easy even if you have no experience in anything. The websites are Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Magento, Wix, Square Online, and Squarespace. Any of these websites will help you build your own store without any issues. Let's start with some steps to avoid any problems or losses on your way to making money online. The first step we will take is to search for the desired product and trends. Let's try, for example, Amazon bestsellers, and let's look for a suitable product. For example, I will choose this product 3-stage knife sharpener. It costs about $11. Let's go to CJ Dropshipping and see how much it costs. It's only $1 and the delivery to the customer is $6, so it's around $7. Moreover, it will be delivered in 1 or 2 weeks. Now we know the product and the price. If you want a video about CJ Dropshipping and how to brand your product and package it with your brand, leave us a comment. Let's see how we can create the website. Let's choose Shopify. If you want a video about Shopify and how to easily connect your products, write it in the comments. Now comes the most important part of this video. How can I sell this product? You have several options. The first option is to run paid advertisements on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. However, this method is not guaranteed, expensive, and may not yield strong results. The second option is to try to connect with influencers who have followers interested in cooking on Instagram, TikTok, or even YouTube, but choose beginner influencers with 500 to 3,000 followers. So they won't charge you money. You can give them the product and they will make a video about it. Then they will bring you sales. Of course, the sales may not be significant, but they will generate good sales if you continue to deal with this category. Until you have a budget to work with influencers who charge from $100 to $10K, but then you will achieve extraordinary numbers. The third thing requires a little patience. Create content on TikTok and Instagram Reels about your product consistently. You will need to get the product and make videos, talk about it a lot, and upload many videos. This will increase the views and sales without having to spend money. You will face problems at first and you might also get lost, but I want you to be careful that success doesn't come easily, and don't believe anyone who tells you that they made a lot of money easily. Without understanding, learning, studying, making mistakes, and learning from their mistakes. It always requires perseverance and effort to gain enough experience to succeed in one of the most profitable fields in the world. These secrets I have told you will prevent you from facing problems or know how to start. All you have to do now is to make a decision, start learning, studying, researching, and don't worry about making mistakes. Just learn from them, and you will achieve very high profits. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and comment on your feedback on the video.